you ever wondered how some of the tiniest or weakest creatures on Earth survive in the brutal wild? The secret isn't always claws, speed, or venom. Sometimes it's teamwork. Today we're diving into the most mind-blowing hidden symbiotic partnerships in nature, relationships where both sides win, and sometimes where one side has been secretly running the show all along. Let's unveil 6 incredible examples you've probably never heard of. 1. The zombie fungus and the ant. Meet Ophiocordyceps unilateralis, better known as the zombie ant fungus. When a spore lands on a tropical ant, it invades its brain and forces the ant to climb exactly 25 centimeters above the forest floor, bite down on a leaf vein, and lock its jaws forever. Then the fungus kills the ant and erupts a stalk from its head to rain new spores on the colony below. The ant thinks it's in control, but it's been a puppet the entire time. That's parasitism disguised as the ultimate betrayal of symbiosis. 2. The bobtail squid and glowing bacteria. At night, the Hawaiian bobtail squid looks like it's carrying a tiny moon in its belly. That light comes from millions of Vibrio fischeri bacteria living in a special organ. The squid feeds them sugar and amino acids, in exchange for light that cancels out its silhouette from predators below, a perfect camouflage called counterillumination. Every morning, the squid vents 95% of the bacteria and regrows the population at night. It's a daily rental agreement for invisibility. 3. The cleaner wrasse and literally everyone. On coral reefs, tiny cleaner wrasses set up cleaning stations where massive predators like groupers and moray eels line up patiently. The wrasse swims right into their open mouths to eat parasites and dead tissue. The big fish get a spa day and the wrasse gets a meal. Scientists have seen clients pose dramatically to show where they itch and even let cleaners eat their mucus, something they'd never allow otherwise. Cheaters who try to eat the cleaner, they get banned from every station on the reef. Reputation matters even underwater. 4. Ants that farm aphids like cattle. Some ant species don't hunt, they farm. They protect aphids from ladybugs, carry them to the best leaves, and gently stroke them with their antennae to milk honeydew, a sugary poop that's basically aphid maple syrup. In return, ants will move entire aphid colonies into their nests during winter like livestock. When threatened, aphids even release alarm pheromones that summon their ant bodyguards. It's agriculture that started 50 million years before humans ever planted a seed. 5. The bird that guides humans to honey. In Mozambique, the greater honey guide bird has a deal with local honey hunters. The bird chirps a special call to get a human's attention, then flies from tree to tree, leading them straight to wild beehives. Once the humans smoke out the bees and take the honey, they leave wax and larvae for the bird, which can't break into hives on its own. Studies show honey guides intentionally lead people to hives 80% of the time when called, and if humans don't leave a reward, the bird remembers and won't help them again. It's one of the only known symbioses between wild animals and humans. 6. The crab that wears living boxing gloves. The tiny boxer crab, Libia tessellata, picks up sea anemones in each claw and uses them like venomous pom-poms. When threatened, it waves the stinging anemones at predators. In return, the anemones get free transportation and scraps from the crab's meals. Sometimes the crab even splits one anemone in half so both claws have weapons, cloning its own bodyguards. If it loses an anemone, it will steal half from another crab and wait for it to regrow. From brain-controlling fungi to birds that gossip with humans, nature is full of secret partnerships we're only beginning to understand. Symbiosis proves that survival isn't always about being the strongest. It's often about who you know, or who lives inside you. Which of these blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments, hit that subscribe button for more wild secrets, and I'll see you in the next one.